Getting the third-party access token is fairly easy. The third-party access token is now required for posting to Facebook pages, groups, and profile. Since August this year, Facebook has removed the ability of user-created apps to post to Facebook unless they go through a review and obtain approval. This means the apps created for admin panel cannot post to Facebook any longer, hence a third-party token is required for posting. Note the app creation for admin panel and valid application administrator token is still necessary because it is used for user authorization and other stuff in the script. Okay, to obtain the access token, you need to go to user CP. Once here, click on view change token. This will show your access token in this box, as well as below here you can obtain the third-party tokens from the list. There are a few different third-party tokens here, but only Facebook for Android works, so select it from this list and you will be presented with a few inputs. Here you need to enter your Facebook username and password. Don't worry, your information is never sent to any server and is not stored anywhere. It is only used to compute a unique Facebook URL right in your browser, which you can visit to get your Facebook for Android access token. So go ahead and input your Facebook username and password. Your username is what you use to sign into Facebook. It could be your email or even your Facebook number associated with your account. After you have entered the details, click here on this text to go to Facebook. A new window or tab will open which will show some text. If you did everything correctly, this text includes your access token, as you can see here, and so to use it, just copy all of this text and go back to the original window. Now we need to update our token here. So let's clear the existing token from this box. Simply double click in this box to select all and press delete or backspace. Box is cleared, so let's paste the text we copied from other window. Now click this update button. Your token will be updated and you will probably be logged out from the script. This is normal, just log back in. Go to user CP to check if token update was successful. And as you can see, Facebook for Android token is now installed. Okay, since the token is all set, we can go back to home and start posting. One good thing about Facebook for Android token is that it automatically lists all your Facebook pages and groups, etc. And with it, you can post to all of your groups as well, even those of which you are only a member, regardless of their privacy settings. So happy posting.